Welcome, Angela. It's great
Hi,
to
Bryce.
see you.
Good to see you.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Medicine Kitchen.
I can't wait.
What are we going to make today?
We are going to make the Abundance Kale Salad with a tahini dressing.
This has just got to be incredibly tasty and incredibly healthy at the same time. I called it Lifestyle Medicine Kitchen for a reason, actually, because everything in here just has incredible vitamins and minerals and antioxidants. So aside from just tasting great, it is essentially medicine. If you think about a lot of the pharmaceuticals we take, right? They come from plants and trees and nature, right? So sometimes you say, why not go to the source?
Yeah, right. And if you do plant-based eating at least one time a week, you can start combating strokes and obesity. When people think about plant-based eating, they think they're still going to be hungry afterwards. But this is a great example of how we've got kale as the base and we're adding in a bunch of other components to it to really make it feel filling and stay with you much longer.
I'm a plant-based eater myself. I mean, not only for health, but for the environment, but also just because it really tastes good. And we often think of it as just preventing disease, but this is also treating and reversing disease. That's how powerful this medicine right in front of us actually is. And the benefits being only positive. You look better, you feel better, right? You're emotionally healthy, physically, spiritually healthy. That sounds like a good deal to me.
I'm in. Should we get to it?
Yeah, well, I think what we're gonna have to do though is kind of assemble it, and we gotta make a dressing.
All right.
Because no good salad comes without a dressing. So in just a second, why don't we make our dressing in this?
Make it in a jar,
Jam
store
jar
it in a
dressing.
jar.
Yeah? All right, let's go for it. All right, you got a fork over there?
I have a fork.
All right, well, let's dig in.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
So good. The avocado really makes it even more creamy with the tahini.
That tahini is great, and I just got a little bit of that kimchi, kind of that spice.
It's delicious. And you know, I wonder if one night you had some chicken from another night's dinner or just a couple chicken breasts laying around, you could grill that and add that on top.
Well,
What do you
absolutely.
think?
Yeah, you could add any kind of additional protein source into here, whether it's plant-based or whether it's chicken or shrimp or salmon, or if you want to go back to grains and quinoa. So there's so many things you can do with this to make it your own.
So good.
All right, I think we did it.
We did it.
All right.